Alright guys, today we got a speed camera comparison for the Galaxy Note 9 versus the iPhone 13. You might be wanting to upgrade to the iPhone 13 and you want to see what you'll be working with speed wise, gaming wise, and photo wise. So we'll go ahead and see what we're working with here. So Snapdragon 845, 6 gigs of RAM on the Note 9, Apple A15 chip, 4 gigs of RAM. So I think we should see a difference, a pretty decent difference in PUBG graphics, I believe. But I think in general the speed is not going to be that different. And I honestly think the cameras are pretty good on the Note 9. So we'll see with that. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it here. And we'll go ahead and launch Geekbench, show you guys our Geekbench scores for both. And again, there are two variants of this phone, a Snapdragon and a Exynos model. Again, this is the Snapdragon model here. Alright, let's go ahead and launch some applications here. Subway Surf. Kind of a significant difference, I guess. One thing I like about the Note 9 is the display. I think it's better than the iPhone's. It's 1440p. Now, it does have a little bit more bezel, I guess, but there's no notch on the Note 9's display here. 1440p Super AMOLED, still an excellent display for the price. You'll pay $800 and then you'll pay around something like 250, 300. I'll put the link down below. YouTube. Note 9 actually jumps ahead and loads that video up faster than the iPhone. Very impressive. Pokemon Go. And again, so it's looking like the Note 9 is not really too far off from the iPhone. Google Earth. Again, not too far off here. Temple Run. Looks like it was almost tied there. iPhone hops out. Snapchat. So for a phone with the Snapdragon 845, it's pretty much keeping up with the iPhone in terms of speed. Spotify. I think the only kind of significant difference we'll see, and not really significant, but it seems to be like with games. Okay. Twitter. Twitch. So not bad at all here. Let's go ahead and launch PUBG here. So I'm assuming we should see a jump up. The iPhone can play max graphics, and I can't remember exactly on the Note 9, but I think it still does a great job with gaming. I do have a full gaming test for it, but I don't think it quite can max PUBG out anymore. iPhone. Alright, we got the Note 9. So graphic wise, let's see what we're working with. Yeah, so we do have extreme FPS at smooth, ultra, no ultra HD. Of course, on iPhone we can go max out. So I will just go ahead and put it on extreme. So as far as gaming on the Note 9, it games still, it games well. And again, this phone is really for people who want to use the stylus. You can, like I said, you can still game on here, no problem, but I don't have an issue with it. It's pretty smooth. But of course, if you do want a bump up in terms of like graphics, performance, and stuff like that, then you would get, you know, the iPhone is definitely going to max everything out. It's going to be extremely fast. It's going to be very fast, very smooth. So you will get those, you know, those better FPS and better graphics with the iPhone here. All right, let's go ahead and check out brand management. Both, we got to close out on both. YouTube still open on both. Okay, so far we're tied. Temper run. Oh, okay, so the Note 9 is now ahead of the iPhone with no closeouts. Okay. Just one closeout so far. All right. So it looks like the Note 9 is going to win our little RAM management test here. It did not close out anything. The iPhone closed out one application there. So very impressive on the Note. Alright, so I'm really interested in seeing these still side by side here. So the Note 9 does have a 12 megapixel standard, a 12 megapixel telephoto, and then a 4K video at 60, an 8 megapixel selfie cam that shoots in 1440p. The iPhone has a dual camera setup, a 12 megapixel standard and a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 4K video at 24, 30, and 60 with a 12 megapixel selfie that shoots at 4K, 24, 25, 30, and 60. So let's go ahead and check out those side by side stills, and be sure to let me know what you guys think about the video and image quality. Alright guys, here's the video on the 13. Alright guys, this is the video on the Note 9. Right, I got these speakers maxed out. Let's go ahead and hear what those speakers sound like side by side. Let's see, I have Dolby Atmos on. Alright, I do. Super clean and loud sound on both, but again, the iPhone has done a great job this year just comparing it to a lot of other phones. It just has a really good bass quality to it, really strong. There's a few phones this year that beat this phone, beat the iPhone that I compared it to. Yeah, definitely a louder and stronger or fuller sound on the iPhone. So I think the Zenfone 8, the ROG phone, the LG V60 I thought sounded better. But I'm really impressed with the iPhone speakers this year. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Be sure to let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.